$100 too. I need my $100 too. I need my $100.
Do it.
I need my $100 too.
Don't do it.
Don't do it. No!
Yo, what's good? Welcome to Black and White TV. It's your boy Superhuman.
And fly seed.
And today we're doing our very first freaking mukbang. Before we start this shit up, make sure you hit that like, make sure you hit that subscribe. It helps us grow. We really appreciate everybody who's done it so far.
That bell right there, man. Keep hitting that bell for us, man.
Hell yeah. Thank you guys so much. Anybody who supported so far.
Man, we got crawfish, we got lobster, we got big potatoes, we got that king snow crab legs, boy. We got it all. Corn on the cob and that secret sauce. We about to let it go and let it go. Woo-wee, look at that bad sucker. Let's get it going. Let's get it going. I thought you cracked these motherfuckers.
Where do we start, bro?
I ain't never had no heads, doctor. I ain't never had no heads, doctor. Oh no!
Bro, what are you doing?
Oh no!
Bro,
oh,
bro!
No. Oh, not
no.
the head, doctor.
Yo, I don't think that's how you do it, bro.
I need some scissors for him, doctor. Ooh-wee. Oh no! Big Snoop Dogg. Oh, the head. Oh, doctor. Doctor. Oh.
That's what you gotta eat, Tato.
Oh, bro.
That's what you gotta eat.
Oh, no. What's that?
That's
Bro,
the meat.
That was the guts, bro.
That's the meat, bro.
I ain't never had none with the head and every. Oh, no. Oh, what is this? Ooh-wee.
Bro.
Ah.
This thing has no meat on it, bro.
Bro.
Bro. What is this?
Bro, I'm scared.
What is this?
Bro, I'm scared.
Right, here we go. You ready?
Ooh,
Here we go.
That's the meat. Where's the meat at?
It's that little thing.
Bro, where?
Bro, you demolished the little piece of meat that there was there.
I thought I didn't squeeze his ass and
You crush that shit, bro.
Did that motherfucker in there.
Let's eat the whole thing. Let's eat the whole thing. Bro. Oh, dude, it's spicier than I thought it would be. It's spicier than I thought it would be for sure.
Ooh, boy, that's what you call that fire. That fire.
Yo.
It
Tastes good though.
I'm gonna tell you, I'm that crab, man.
How about using? Where's the tool?
Oh, whoa! I didn't crack the soul. I didn't crack the soul.
Wait.
Ooh,
Doesn't have meat, bro.
Oh yeah.
Bro, the meat.
Oh yeah. Oh
got
yeah.
it.
Oh yeah.
That's the meat. Look like.
Ooh-wee. I need the scissors, doctor. Where them scissors out there? I need to crack a dack of lack, doctor. Woo-wee. Look. Scissors don't play no games.
Oh hell yeah.
Scissors get right in there. Look.
Oh hell yeah.
Mind you,
bro.
Y'all, mind you, when you mucking with some cream crab legs.
What is this? Bruh.
Woo!
Bruh, you gotta have some. There's
Oh,
so much
no.
meat. It's like a whole.
Dang.
Bro, it's like a whole.
Woo-wee! Oh, look at that baby. Oh, look at her. Oh, look at her, Willie. Oh, come on. Don't be shy.
Oh, that's fire, bro.
Don't be shy. Oh, you coming.
Oh, that's fire. Yo, if you want to see more mukbangs, make sure you comment below for sure.
Oh, yeah, hit them comments for sure.
Hit that comment, hit that like, hit that subscribe, man. Thank you guys so much, man.
Don't be shy. Come on. Clean that thing like a whistle.
Ooh, yo, how do a piece of that?
Let me slit that thing.
That's all you got from that?
Nah, it just fell apart, my boy. We got a scissor in at the bottom.
That wasn't even that much, bro.
It was a baby one, Dada.
Take that piece right there.
Yeah. Woo-wee. Okay. That sauce ain't like that secret sauce.
There's a sauce, it's fire, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
It's in the sauce.
Sauce.
Ooh-wee. Make sure you get you some sauce.
This was a urban crawfish in Las Vegas, by the way. Thank you so much. Shout out to Urban Crawfish, Las Vegas.
Shout out definitely to Urban Crawfish. Look at the potato right there. That's what you call a potato. Ooh. Woo-wee.
Fire, bro. That fire, bro.
Yeah, it's on another level right here. It's on another level. Mm-hmm.
Bro. Damn. Damn.
I don't know about these things with the heads out there. Oh no, Doctor. I ain't seeing nothing but guts and butts, Doctor.
Guts and shit. Yo.
Oh,
Doctor, what the
Oh,
bro, what is that?
I don't know,
No.
Doctor.
I'm gonna do it for you. No, watch.
Oh, man.
It's technique. Oh no, that one's gone.
I don't see no meat in that thing.
Watch,
That's why they
watch.
killed John Wayne.
I think it's like this. Some shit like this,
Bro,
bro.
you done
No,
spit
that's
the
not it,
whole
bro.
thing out.
I think it's some
Doctor,
shit
what
like
that big
this,
boy
Doctor.
at, Doctor?
This ain't it. This ain't the technique, bro. That ain't the technique, bro.
Woo-wee. Oh, shoot. Almost broke my finger trying to. Make sure y'all hit the gym before y'all do this,
Yo, hell yeah.
this young thing going on. Woo-wee.
Bro. Fire. The
Man,
crawfish,
for
bro. You
real.
can't get any meat at all out of these crawfish, bro. Like nothing at all. There's
Why?
nothing there.
There's nothing there, dude.
There's literally nothing there, bro. Like this. What is this, bro? What is this, bro? Like, look, this is the meat you get, bro.
Woo-wee.
That's literally the meat you get.
God, that's all that work. All that work. All that work. That don't make no sense. All that work.
For just a little crawfish meat.
That's why I love crab legs, because all that. Look at all that. You
What
got
are we
the
doing
crab
with
legs.
this, bro? What are we doing with this, bro?
Bro, save that big thing for the end, bro.
What are we doing with this,
Save that
bro?
big boy for the end. For real, for real.
Oh, man.
What you supposed to do with that, Dada? What's this, Dada?
You're missing out on the corn, bro. What is that?
Woo-wee! Oh,
that, bro?
man! Y'all see this? I'm in love with
What
this.
is that?
Oh, my God. Oh! You gotta try that, bro.
Motherlo.
God damn. Woo-wee!
Well, that tastes good. Like chicken. It's like
Oh,
chicken.
God.
Bro.
Woo-wee!
Whoa. This is the spizzy spot right
That
here.
shit is weird.
It's a spizzy spot, bro. Shout out Urban Crawfish, bro.
Oh, man. For real, for real. They did their thing. Love me a good mukbang, man. Woo-wee!
Ooh.
I'm looking gold for that meat.
Woo. I'm crying a little bit here. I'm tearing a little bit.
Oh,
That
man.
shit got me, bro. And this is the mile, dude. What the?
Oh, man. Boy, I cleaned that.
Ooh.
Cleaned that bad boy. Forget your potato, man.
Oh yeah, those
Your
carbs.
Yes, sir.
Those carbs in there.
Them potatoes is fly. They like melt in your mouth. Melt in your mouth.
What is this?
I don't know how you eating the thing. Look at
No,
that.
what is this, bro? Doctor, what is that?
Nothing worse than me there, Doctor.
What the?
Don't eat me. They eat me, man. Don't eat me. That's the only one. You gotta
You
take
gotta suck it. Just suck it.
you got the juice out the man, but that's what you got. That's all you gonna get.
But look. Is what you get, baby.
Bro, on the real, bro. I can't do these things with the head. I don't know about the head, y'all. If they got a head on it, I don't know.
How many of those you think you gotta eat to get full? Think about it. Like if you get literally this much meat, bro.
Probably like 30, 40 of them. Huh?
Nah, bro, more than that. You think, bro? Look at this, bro. What the?
On the real.
Yo,
Bro, I said the
what
shrimp was
is
way
this?
better, bro. These are,
What is this, bro?
these things look like they don't even supposed to be touched or eaten at all. Like, let these live.
Yeah, bro. This is all you
live,
get,
man. Literally, it's not even worth killing these things, man.
Save the crawfish, man. Hashtag save the crawfish, man.
For real, leave them alone.
Yeah,
And as far as that lobster, boy, let them swim my way. Let them swim my way now. Let them swim my way, Mr. Lobster. I know your mama says don't play with your food, but I'm having a good old time. Woo! Woo! I'm going after that lobster, bro. I'm about to cut his arm off, bro.
What are we doing? What are we doing to it?
I'm about to cut his arm first, bro.
What are we doing to it,
Cut
bro?
his arm, bro. Cut his arm, bro. Cut his mouth.
Oh, this is sick. Oh, this is sick.
Cut his ass! Cut him out, Tato.
This feels sick. I feel wrong.
Cut him out, Tato. I'm sorry,
I
man.
feel wrong, Tato.
Gotta do feel bad though, man. Poor lobster, man. But dang, man, woo, look at that. Imagine he get a hold of you. Ooh, wee, look at that. Ah, Tato, you trying to kill me? This boy trying to kill me, y'all. For real.
Bro, these motherfuckers will fuck you up, bro. Oh, hell no.
Bro, these things.
How do we pop it? How do we pop it?
Cut through these things just like them. Shit.
Oh, no, you're resourceful with that scissor, bro. Oh, no, dude. No, bro, this ain't gonna work, bro. No, this ain't gonna work, bro. Gotta use the cracker.
Yeah, you gotta use the cracker first. Boy.
Is there any meat in here?
Boy. Look at that.
Oh, whoa!
I had to tell you if it's some meat up
Whoa!
in there. I had to tell you if some meat in there, boy.
What is this?
Ooh, let it rain, let it rain. Yes, sir.
Oh, that shit's chewy. It's chewy.
Oh, shit.
It's chewy as a mother, bro.
Look at that. Finally got me a piece, y'all. Got me a piece. Okay.
The sauce is magical, bro.
For real. I see why she had that big thing of sauce.
That sauce is literally magical, bro. Straight up. Mmm. Yeah, that shit's fire, bro.
Woo-wee.
That shit's fire, bro.
I'm trying to cut through this thing like I'm cutting paper.
What about these little legs over here?
Ah, I think you should chop them one by one.
Oh, that's sick. Yo.
Yeah, the tail is definitely next, bro. Cause that's what
This is it, baby. This is it, baby.
Right there.
Show it to the camera here.
Ooh-wee. Just like that, thought those snapped it right in half, huh? Poor lobster.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. I don't even know, bro. Them hard, bro. Hard, dude.
Bro, I'm trying to open this thing for days. What's taking me?
Oh, bro.
Bro, you can literally hurt yourself.
Yeah.
Hey, mind you, be careful when y'all doing this.
Yeah, be very careful.
Cause these crackers and scissors
Caution.
ain't working. They don't even get you to a certain point.
That's it, baby. Split that one in half right there.
After this.
Take That's a tail. Take half that shit, baby. Half that shit, baby. Enjoy.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh. Should we cheers on this? Should we cheers on this?
God, hold on. You gotta dip that. Ooh,
Well, let's do it.
Wee. Like homegirl, look. Oh my God. Yo. Oh my God. Don't choke. Man, bro. Oh my God. That was fire.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh man. Back to cracking and cracking.
I'm literally like fucking like My mouth is on fire, bro. My nose.
For real, bro?
Yeah, bro.
You must not be a spicy eater like that.
I like spicy.
I'm so spicy.
Not like this. This is the mild, bro. Imagine if we would have done the extra spicy.
Boy, you would have been in there.
Huh.
You gonna need like 5 waters. Bro, I'm still over here trying to crack this one. I'm trying to crack his hand. Boy, his hand got so much meat in there. Look. Woo! Bro, I'm trying to get that. I'm a fiend for that,
damn.
bro. Look. I can't get, bro. This is so thick, bro.
You gotta use the cracker for this one here.
Golly, bro.
There you go, baby. You got it. You got it. You got it.
Woo! I cracked that thing that killed John Wayne. Oh,
That's
man.
over, bro. That was too easy.
Oh,
it was like a
man.
flap.
Look at that. Woo-wee.
It's like a flap.
Look, clean all that out. We got to get all that. We need all of that out. I need all that. Dang. Bro, is this a bone, bro?
Bro, I'll give you $100 cash right now if you eat an
Oh,
eye.
hell no.
Woo-wee. Alright, bro.
I'll give you $100 cash right now if you eat an eye, bro. You gotta eat that eye right there, man.
Hey, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, you gotta chop it off, though. You gotta chop it off.
Wait, we gotta show it to the camera here.
Oh no! I can't do it. I can't do it.
It's gonna gush, bro. It's gonna gush. It's gonna gush. It's gonna go, bro. What is that?
Oh!
Bro!
I poked it. Oh man! Woo! Bro, you gotta take that out, bro.
Bro.
Oh! I can't do it. Oh! Oh man! Oh no, bro!
Oh, that's nasty.
Oh!
$100, bro.
Can I dip it in some sauce?
Oh! Oh, look at it! Look at the missing! Oh! Don't do it! Don't do it! Don't do it! It's not worth it.
Oh! It is hard. It is hard.
It's hard, bro.
It is hard.
Why is it hard, bro? Don't do it, dude. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Oh,
Don't do it, bro.
Don't do it. I need my $100 too. I need my $100 too.
Don't do it.
I need my $100.
Don't do it.
I need my $100 too.
Don't do it.
Don't do it. No! Oh man, woo, bro. Where, baby, my money?
Where's the wallet at? Where's the wallet?
Baby, my money. I need my cash. I do it for mine. I do it for mine. I need my cash. You know what I'm talking
Fair
about?
square. Fair
baby,
square.
my money. I need
Fair
my
square.
cash. Woo-wee. That shit was nasty. We ate your boy. All right, man.
I don't know if I can continue this, bro.
Oh,
I don't know how to feel about mukbang anymore, bro.
bro, you made me eat the eye, bro.
Hey, that was $100 fair
Oh, what
square.
the hell is that?
What is that? I'm not feeling too good, bro.
That's the intestines. Oh no! Oh! Oh! I bet you don't eat that.
All right, I'll do it.
Oh no! Bro, that's the intestines, bro.
Bro.
Oh no! Oh no! Would y'all look at this? What is this, man?
Bro, I'm fucking
What
crying,
is this?
bro.
Oh.
Bro, I'm fucking crying right now, bro.
Bro, where that crab leg at?
Oh, bro, I don't know if I can continue with this shit, bro. I don't know if I can ever do a mukbang ever again after seeing this, bro.
Bro. Yeah, I'm about to go fucking vegan after this.
Oh yeah, bro. The next mukbang gonna be a
All
vegan mukbang. After
Vegan
this
mukbang.
shit.
Ooh, look at that boy.
Oh, bro. Oh, that's fire, bro.
Potatoes is flight for real.
You're missing out on those on the corn pieces, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you.
I wish I could eat
Corn pieces, they're perfect, bro.
Ooh, boy, this piece right
Yeah, that was an emotional crab.
here. Take half of this.
Oh, snow crab over there, Tata.
Ooh, we pop him open. You see that right there? All that meat right there. A line of meat. The boy ain't trying to give it up though. Gotta come up off that, homie. Ooh, come up off that.
Break yourself, boo.
He ain't trying to come up off that, Tata.
Rip that shit out. What you doing?
Tata, shell, Tata. Good
Rip
boy,
that shit out.
Yeah, he dead and he's still guarding his body, Tata.
Oh, yeah, Tata.
I don't know, Tata. You gotta take the rest of that, Tata.
Yo, this has been a fucking phenomenal video. One of the funniest things I've ever experienced. I'm still crying, bro. Like, I still have tears in my eyes, bro.
I ain't never ate no with a head on it. You get what I'm saying? So this has been a great experience for me. You feel me?
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for staying with us for freaking 22 minutes.
For real. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. And I'm going to keep eating for you.
Yes, thank you guys so much. Hey, we love you guys. Thank you so much for watching Black and White TV.
We out.